What's up, guys? Bringing this new site that I found, and it pays to do some simple tasks, watch videos, see some sites, do some short links, and there's the Faust too, that you go there, do the capture and win too, and by indication. That's why. Powered by Duvers. I'll leave the link there in the description for those who want to test it too. I've already tested it. It's paying, and let's go. Here is the name of the site. Here it is speaking in English. If you want to translate it, you come here in the three dots up here. Translate, here is the translation. I prefer to leave it in English so as not to give a bug. Then when you get this link, it will send it straight to the invitation page, right? Then you will register, put your name, email, and put a password. But as I already have a password, as I already have a registration, so I'll go straight to the login. Powered by Duvers. Details here, it has the winning flags, which is where I click now. There's a false claim, which is the normal false, right? For those who know, I'll show you how it is false false. For those who don't know, this is a funnel. You come here and solve a powered by Dovers. Then you stay here, you do as you see if you want.